Hello viewers, welcome to my channel iTech Solution. Today I will discuss Excel tricks, that is number of rows and columns to show you. Rename your sheet, shift cell below to one cell to another cell, percentage of its cell, and so quickly. Here this is the sheet cross position. Here click to show the number of sheet 1 rows, total number of rows and columns in one sheet. Yes, press here. 10,48,576 are for rows, C for columns 16,384. Quickly you can note down this. Repeat sheet 1, click on this cross section of rows and columns and check the value of R and C. Next question is percentage, shift percentage. Suppose 75,000 in D8, this is the cell position, and suppose 3% of this value in E8, so I have to find the value here. D11 equal is multiply by these values, that is cell number D8 asterisk is there, cell value is 3%, that is E8 is there, and enter, press enter. So the value is 2250. This is the formula to find out the value of 3% of this cell value, that is D8. Note down this trick. Next is to follow shifting the value. Suppose I need this 2250 in number G11, so equal and click the cell number and press enter. So whatever you write this, that value will be shifted to that position. Suppose this is 90,000, the value will be 27 here also, and this is also. Next trick, last is shift rename sheet. So just right click on this sheet and go for rename and my practical. So this is the short 2 or 3 commands. So I go for next videos quickly. Thank you.